So in this video, we are talking about the area of rhombuses, or rhombi. I'm not sure what the plural of rhombus is. So area of a rhombus. Let's just say a rhombus. Let's keep it singular. So a rhombus, kind of like how a parallelogram looks like a drunk rectangle, a rhombus is like a drunk square. It's just teetering over, about to fall over. And so just like a square, a rhombus has four sides that are exactly the same length, but because they're all funky and leaning and weird, we can't use the same equation. We can't just say base times height, length times width, whatever. We need to go by the diagonals. So the diagonals are the lines or the distance from one corner to the opposite corner, going like that. So what we are going to do is say diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 divided by 2. So in this case, we are going to multiply the first diagonal, 8, times the second diagonal, 6, and divide it by 2. So 8 times 6 is 48, and 48 divided by 2 is 24. So this rhombus would have an area of 24. So let's look at our next rhombus, which is problem number 1. We have a diagonal of 7 and a diagonal of 12. I was trying to circle the 7 and I just ended up making a 0. So 7, here it is, and a diagonal of 12. So we are going to say 7 times 12 divided by 2. So 7 times 12 is 84, I think 94, 84, 94. Let me double check. 7 times 12, 84. I was right the first time. Okay, 84. What is wrong with my finger today? 84 divided by 2, and that is 42. So the area of this rhombus is 42. Let's look at number 3. We have a diagonal of 7 in green and 15 in yellow. So 7 times 15 divided by 2. So 7 times 15 is 105. And we are going to divide that by 2. And that is going to be 52.5. And that is our answer for number 3. For number 5, we have two diagonals. One is 7 in the yellow and one is 14. So we are going to do 7 times 14 divided by 2. And 7 times 14 is 98. Okay, and we are dividing that by 2. So 98 divided by 2 is 49. And that is the area of this rhombus. Number 7, our two diagonals are 20 and 5. So why can't I write today? So 20 times 5 divided by 2. So 20 times 5 is 100, and 100 divided by 2 is 50. So the area of this rhombus is 50. Okay, number 9, we have two diagonals. This yellow one is supposed to be 25. So we have 32 and 25. So 32 times 25 divided by 2. So 32 times 25 is 800. So we have 800 divided by 2, and that is 400. So that is the area of this rhombus. And that is it for the areas of rhombuses, of a rhombus, and hope that was helpful.